Hi guys, in today's video, I'll share with you 4 secret ways to make your special someone chase you. It feels nice to be wanted, right? How much effort should you put into so you can be seen by a special someone who you feel you can't live without? If you wish for things to change, below are 4 secret ways you can use to attract your special someone. Please like, comment, subscribe and share for more videos like this, and let's get started. 4 secret ways to make a special someone chase you. 1. Develop your physical appearance. Good-looking people are more attractive and they tend to get more attention because we tend to believe they have confidence and high level of self-esteem. I mean, who says no to a good-looking guy or to a beautiful girl? Almost no one. So, if you want to make people chase you, try work on your physical appearance, go to the gym or change your haircut or take care of your face and your body and more. 2. Give a room for mystery. Mysterious people are so attractive and they makes everyone want to learn them. Try to find more ways to add mystery to your life. When people encounter something unfamiliar, they are most likely to explore to acquire more information. 3. Be the best version of yourself at this moment. Stop pretending to be someone you are not and be yourself. Being genuine, and try taking qualities you admire into your life that will boost your confidence level. By loving yourself and being content of who you are will make people or your special someone chase you. 4. Keep yourself busy. Be productive, but don't play hard to get, by being more active and proactive. Meet people, be social and explore, maybe go hiking or travel or try new things or how to have conversation, public speaking, read books, learn new skills, and more. Without self-love, self-validation, contentment, you are far away from making people to love you. If you want your special someone to chase you, work on the above 3 things first and use those 4 secret ways. I'm pretty sure you'll be noticed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share for more videos like this.